Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Today I'll show you Delix Courier, Parcel Delivery and Courier Management System. This is our admin panel. You can see dashboard, total COD, total earning, total margin, total parcel, total income, total expense, earning report, income and payout, then parcel report, total delivery man, total branch, recent merchant, then best merchant. Another option is parcel. You can see all parcel information. You can create so many options: import, branch transfer, transfer receive, then pick, delivery. Then another option is payout. You can see all payout, bulk payout, accounts, income, expense, account, then fund transfer, margin, delivery man. All you can create, edit and delete also. Then report, you can see transaction report, parcel, total summary, income and expense, margin summary, it's a branch, delivery, then staff, roles, you can create roles, edit and delete also. Then staff, you can edit and delete also. SMS gateway, reference, website settings, all settings. You can customize and set up page. You can add page, edit and delete also. Then system settings, general settings, so many options you can customize. Language, layout method, admin, so many options. Cron job you can all customize. Mobile app settings, email settings, notice, unity, system updates, system information. You can customize your profile, change your password. If you need it, check the link in the description for the information. If you need it, check the link in the description. For installing help, contact us.